Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me featuring some new products. I was sent a little bag of goodies from Merit Beauty. I have the new Colourpop little heart blushes, and then other things that are just kind of like new to me, like the Madluv Brow. So if you guys want to watch this get ready with me and see my first impressions on some of these new products, then just keep on watching. So let's go ahead and get started. Just for my base, I did go in with the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Cream. This is amazing. I love this. This is a newer moisturizer to me, and it is so good. It makes my skin feel so soft, and I've been so dry lately. This has been a lifesaver, so I love how this wears under my makeup. And also as a base, I went ahead and put on the One Size Secure the Blur Primer. Honestly, not my favorite primer in this world. I would never buy it again, to be quite honest with you, but I am gonna use it up because I did it. And then I did my eyes, and as a base, I used the Jaclyn Concealer, which I will continue to use. But the biggest new thing to me, this Madluv Brow Kit. This is incredible. I got it in the shade medium brown, I believe. So it just looks like this, and then you have like the little color in there, and it's the one that has like all the brow stamps in it. So I think it has like 5 in here, and I use the 3rd brow stamp. This is the 3rd brow stamp, and I love it. Like, I do my brows in like minutes, like 5 minutes if that, maybe even less, and then I just kind of set it with brow powder. This has been a game changer for me. Highly recommend. So now I'm gonna go in just with the base, since I already kind of did my eyes. And for my eyes, nothing new here. I just used my LORAC Pro Palette. It's the 2nd one. And as you can see, she is very loved, especially like this corner, like these whole sections. The new Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. I did do a review on this on my channel and a wear test, so if it's already up, I will link it up here, but be on the lookout for that for like a more in-depth review. I have been wearing it the past week or so to test it out, and definitely very lightweight, like you can see. It's just, I think, with the other products I have, I got in some goodies from Merit Beauty. Look at this tote, it's so cute. And a lot of them are like a lot of cream products and things like that, so I figured having like a nice dewy base would look super good with all the products and kind of like a more natural glam look. I don't know if that's considered. Tiny spoiler alert, again, full thoughts in my upcoming video. I have been really liking this foundation, and it is kind of everything that I wanted the Jaclyn Hill skin tint to be. Fortunately, it was not, but Nars' complexion products, you can't go wrong. Like, I have never met a Nars complexion product personally that I did not like. They knock it out of the park, like truly. Like, Nars is incredible. I will say the good thing about this foundation is it is very buildable, which is nice, but not in a way where it's super heavy, but definitely adds more coverage where I want it. But I feel like it doesn't look too dewy. We'll check back in the summer and see if that's still the case, but as of now, it's pretty good. So I got some goodies for Merit Beauty. I'm so excited to test these out. I did test a couple of them out already, and I really liked it. It was just so minimal and like natural, but in a good way. But as someone with like acne and acne scars, I always get nervous on more natural products and cream products. One, because I'm oily and I'm like, is it gonna slough off of me? Even though I said it anyway. So it doesn't matter for me. But also I'm just like, is it gonna cover? Because I feel like typically with more natural makeup like looks, it's like, oh, very like minimal coverage, just let your skin shine through. But your girl has some hyperpigmentation and acne scars that I don't want to shine through. I want to cover those up. So this I haven't worn a lot of. I did it a little bit, so I'm excited to see how this works on its own also. Very sleek, very cute. And this is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I got the shade Linen. Oh, actually it says it's not a foundation or a concealer, it's both. Okay, so it's a foundation or a concealer. So you just take off the lid here, and then there is the foundation concealer. And then here, I thought it was gonna be a brush, but it's actually how you roll it up. Depending on the type, sometimes I like to go in and just go like in the back of my finger, and then just go on my dark spots. And then sometimes when I'm lazy, I do like to go underneath my little nosy. And it does look a little light for me, but also it could be just the Nars foundation is a little deeper, but it'll be good in summer. So now that we have all of that, all right, let me go ahead and I'm just gonna use my Tati Blendable. Also, what is happening with Tati Beauty? Are they coming back? I really hope so, because these are the only blendables I own and I would really like to get some more because I should have stocked up. I really should have. Oh wow, this concealer is blending really beautifully. And it's not adding a ton of coverage. I can still kind of like see like the little dark spots, but it's like covering enough. And I don't think this is supposed to be like a full coverage type of situation. Medium, okay. Yeah, so that answers my question. It's a medium. So yeah, this is a medium coverage, I would say. Let me just do a little bit more. Maybe I apply it directly on it. So far, so good. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Illuminating Concealer. Not new, but definitely a newer product to me. At first I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it's also in a way, wearing it by myself, it's also everything I kind of wanted the Jacqueline concealer to be, which is so strange that I say that, but it is like, I don't know what I was expecting from the Jacqueline products. I think I was just expecting something more, kind of like Merit, like what they're kind of going for, like just like a lighter complexion product. That is not the way it ended up. I don't know why my skin is so dry. It could be all the actives I'm using. Probably the weather. It's been really windy in California lately. Really windy, like trees. There's like this tree in the back of my house that like swings back and forth, and I cannot sleep. I'm like so afraid it's gonna fall every single time. Like I like look at Nat, my boyfriend, and I'm like, he's like looking at me, he's like, why are you still up? What are you doing? And I'm like, that tree is gonna fall. Like I'm so concerned that tree is gonna fall. And I like cannot sleep. And then he's like, okay, well, you know, he goes to sleep, no problem. And he's like, let me know what happened and I'll hold down the fort here. So I'm assuming the wind is the reason why I've been so super dry. Not only dry skin, but my allergies. Oh, the sinus headaches I have had is crazy with this weather. The Jacqueline Concealer, Fair Light Peach. And hopefully this takes away some of my dark spots. Also ignore my nails. They have slowly, they're only supposed to last like a couple of weeks. They did as advertised, but they have been popping off and I've been so too lazy to re-put them on. Just set my under eyes and like the T-zone with the Huda Beauty powder. Getting back into this, but I should have, what I actually love, which also is a newer product, I'll put it here, is the Makeup Forever powder. That makes you poreless. I think I definitely like it better than the Huda Beauty. Like I thought this made me look poreless, but that Makeup Forever setting powder is insanity. I'm also getting back into my Laura Mercier Candle Glow powder. This is in the shade 2. And as you can see, very much love, but I just like how, since we're going for more of a natural look, I just love how like shiny, like it gives you just like a very soft, radiant look to the skin. I love this for just like more natural makeup days. e.l.f. bronzer, and this is in Forever Sunkissed. How is everyone's 2022 going? I would love to hear from y'all in the comments. Very excited. So close to like 1,000 subscribers, which is crazy. Shout out to all of you, but I'm like so excited and thank you so much. I appreciate everything, but when we hit 1,000 this year, I'm gonna be so stoked. It's been a goal of mine for the new year, so I'm very excited. So continuing on with the Merit Beauty, I got their cheek color, like their cream blush stick. But I also just got these in the mail today, which is why I've been like delaying filming. I got these Colourpop heart blushes. They're so cute. I was dying over these last year and was so mad at myself when I didn't get them. So I got them in Flirt Alert, and then I also got in Forever Yours in like the back, like that text. It reminds me of like those like old school like pictures you would take at the mall, like just like the font. And it's actually more of like a baby like blush pink. So super excited to try that out. And then for Forever Yours, like a very like pinky coral, which is really pretty. Or you could see I like dug my finger in and stabbed it because I could not get it off for whatever reason on this like little thing. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the Merit Beauty, and this is in Cherry, the Flush Balm Cream Blush. Flexible balm, creamy, transparent veil color, very light coverage. Ooh, radiant finish. I picked Cherry just because I feel like it's like, it looked like a really pretty color like for winter and like spring and like fall. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I love that. Wow, I think it looks so pretty and like so natural. I'm here for it. I am gonna do it on the other side, and I think I'm gonna top it off with Forever Yours. I'm going to take the lightest hand, because I can already tell this is probably going to be pigmented. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Oh, that's actually not as crazy as I thought it was gonna be. Definitely pigmented, but it's like not insane. Now I'm gonna go in with my little Persona Cosmetics brush. Watch, I say that, and then it's gonna be it's a little more intense once you kind of pack it on, but it actually goes on top of this Merit blush beautifully. That is pretty. We definitely need to blend though. Going back into the cream products, I'm gonna go in with the Merit Beauty highlighting balm, and this is in Kava. Super pretty. Can't really see it, but it's more of a sheen. Kind of see it there, more of a sheen than like a glitter. But it is a little bit of an oily texture, so I'm a little bit concerned how it's gonna be on top of like my powders. And this is described as a champagne color. They have two colors. I wish they expanded it a little bit. Lightweight moisturizing highlighter. Illuminate your skin for a dewy glow with zero sparkle. That I can attest to. It's definitely like a radiant finish. No really like sheens. Oh, it does have squalane in here. That's cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm just taking the back of my hand. This is really oily, like even more oily than the blush. I'm a little concerned, to be honest. I feel like emphasizing like some texture that I have, just based on the oiliness of it and the texture, that this is gonna be something better when you're not wearing any powder. Like if you're just using like your bare skin, I could see this working really well. Just so you can see. I mean, it looks pretty here on my cheeks. Here, a little bit on my nose. Kind of bunches a little bit, just a smidgen. Again, I really want to try all of these on like more bare skin, but this is so far, I mean, it's a really pretty sheen. The last things I have are gonna be these bad boys. So I'm gonna go no eyeliner today, go with the more natural look. Oh, I should have done it before. I'm just gonna clean, I'm not gonna really clean up my under eyes, but I am gonna take my Essence brightening powder, oldie but a goodie, and I'm just gonna kind of clean up under my jawline and stuff, right? Then add the highlighter, and then also just in the middle. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my eyebrows with the volumizing pomade. So I got the shade Brown, just a tinted gel designed to give you the most face framing brows, shaping, grooming, add holes for a fuller, more natural look. And then you just brush your brows up and out, wiggle the brush to apply, and then go to a second coat to add volume. So I'm just gonna use it to kind of set it, because I don't really like the fluffy brows look. Not that I don't like it, I just don't know if it looks good on me. So I'm just gonna use this, and this was in the shade Brown, like I had mentioned. Again, very pretty packaging. The gold, I like how sleek all of their packaging is. It is like very, very nice. I'm gonna go ahead here, and it does add some color. I'm just gonna go here. Looks really nice, so I might not be the best judge of like the hold, again, because I don't really do wispy brows, but for what I need it for, works pretty good. I use the Merit mascara. Again, super pretty packaging. It is a lengthening mascara. It's like it's a tubing mascara. That's interesting, so we'll kind of see what happens with this. I'm really excited. I haven't really tried a tubing mascara. This is the wand. It feels like really dry, like a very dry mascara. I don't know if that's typical for a tubing mascara. Not what I haven't used like a drier mascara in a while. Very natural look today. I'm take my hair down now. I'm gonna go in with the Merit lip oil, tinted lip oil, and this is in the shade Pink Beat. Really pretty. That is pretty. Wow, really pretty, like a really fresh look. It does feel pretty moisturized. I like that a lot. We've had some really good products. I would say I really liked the blushes in this video. Like I really like the Merit blush. So pretty. I love how like natural it looks and like the dew it gives. And also a 10 out of 10 for the lip oil. Love this. So excited to keep using this MERCIER. I just feel like it looks so pretty, but still like natural, like not too much, but just enough to make you look awake. They pair perfectly together, so that's awesome. And then of course, I really was excited, and I love Colourpop blushes. I haven't tried this one. I'm sure I'll like it if it's the same formula. I can't wait to wear this alone, but so far this is a winner. A very much complexion-based day, I feel like. I do like the brow gel from Merit. So for a lot of the Merit stuff, I really like it. I really liked all of these products. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe down below. Let me know if you've tried any of these products or if there's any new products you think I should try that I may have missed. If you guys are interested in some more skincare content, you go ahead and click these videos here. And if you're interested in more makeup content, go ahead and click this playlist here, and I will see you in the next video.